Ever sent out an email campaign and half your emails bounce back? Or worse, they send but never hit anyone's inbox? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Reoon Email Verifier, a tool designed to clean up your email lists, improve deliverability, and save you a ton of money in the process. So what does it actually do? In simple terms, Reoon checks every email address on your list and tells you which ones are valid, which are fake, which are temporary throwaways, and which might cause trouble like spam traps. That way, you only send to real people, your bounce rate drops, and your emails are more likely to land in the inbox instead of the spam folder. First up, bulk email verification. Just upload your list, hit start, and Reoon will go through thousands of addresses in minutes. It's fast, super accurate, over 99% according to their data. And the results come neatly categorized so you know exactly which addresses to keep and which to ditch. Single email check. Got just one email you want to check? You can paste it into the single check tool and boom, you'll get an instant yes or no. It's also smart enough to spot disposable addresses, spam traps, or those sneaky catch-all domains that never really respond. Real-time API verification. If you're running a website or a sign-up form, you'll love their real-time API verification. It checks emails live in about half a second, so fake addresses never even make it onto your list in the first place. Speed and accuracy. And the speed? Crazy fast. The accuracy? I've tested it against some of the big-name verifiers, and it held its own every single time, even with tricky domains like Outlook, Yahoo, and Gmail. Reoon Email Verifier is currently on AppSumo with a lifetime deal. You pay once and you're set for life. No monthly bills, no hidden fees. You can start with one code at $79 for 100,000 lifetime credits and 500 daily verifications, or stack codes for more power. For example, 2 codes for $158 gets you 220,000 lifetime credits and 1,200 daily checks. Go all the way up to 5 codes for $395 and you'll have 700,000 lifetime credits and 4,500 daily checks forever. Oh, and there's zero risk. AppSumo gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can grab the deal, try it out, and if it's not for you, get a full refund. Honestly, locking in lifetime email hygiene at this price is a no-brainer. So if you're serious about email marketing and you're tired of paying for bad addresses, this is a no-brainer. I'll drop link in the description so you can grab the deal before it's gone. Trust me, your future self and your open rates will thank you.